Good afternoon, little friends. Today we are going to take a new chapter, and the name of the chapter is Should Wizard Hit Mommy by John Updike. Now, first of all, I would like to tell you about the character sketch, the characters in the story. The Should Wizard Hit Mommy? It is a children's story dealing with serious theme of good parenting and the adult tendency to curb the curious and questioning mind of a child. Jack, the father of 4-year-old Johnny, tries to teach her moral values through his story. Every story is a slight variation of the same story. Johnny, being very young, fails to realize the true worth and originality. Jack tries hard to convince her that one should not change one's identity or personality just to get accepted by society. This is a brief outline I have just told you, children. Now, if I talk about the characters, there are 4 characters in the story: Jack, the father; Johnny, also called as Joe in the story. She is Jack's 4-year-old intelligent, impatient, and inquisitive daughter. Then Roger Skunk. He gets the wizard to give him a pleasant smell, but his mommy gets the change reversed. Then another character is Mommy. She is Roger's mother, who insists on having her way with Roger by forcing him to follow tradition. Now let us take the summary of the story. But before I take the summary of the story, children, I would like to tell you that there is a short clipping about the author which you will see in the beginning of you must have seen in the beginning of my narration about John Updike. He was an American novelist, poet, short story writer, art critic and literary critic. He won Pulitzer Prize for fiction twice. His fiction is distinguished by his attention to the concerns, passion and suffering of average Americans. Now, I am coming to the theme of the Jack's story. The story is like this. Jack, Johnny's father, Joe's father, told her a story every evening, and it had now become almost a custom. Jack started narrating stories to Joe when she was just 2 years old. Over the years, he had started to run out of ideas. Every story was a variation of the basic tale, a small animal, usually named Roger. He was always having some problem. He went to the wise owl, and the owl advised him to go to the wizard. The wizard solved Roger's problem and asked for a fee. Roger didn't have the required amount, but the wizard told Roger where and how he could get the money. Roger found the money, paid the wizard, went home and had a lovely dinner with his family. The scene starts with the father and the daughter in the bedroom, and the day was Saturday. It was the evening time, and Joe was, as usual, she used to enjoy short naps. Jack asked Joe about the new lead in the story, and Joe wanted it to be a skunk. So the skunk was the main character of the story. It was the Roger skunk, Roger chipmunk, Roger squirrel. Sorry, one or the other character was there, but the name was skunk. Roger fish, Roger skunk, one or the other, but Roger. Having a fresh hero momentarily stirred Jack to creative enthusiasm. Jack started narrating Roger Skunk's story. Roger smelled very bad. Other creatures hated him. They used to run away from him.
One
They
Saturday,
teased
Jack
him by
started
calling
to
him
tell Joe the story of
Stinky
Roger
Skunk.
Skunk, who
So
smelled
Roger felt
so
very
bad
bad. He
that
had
the
no
other animals
friends.
made fun
He
of
had
him and
not
refused to
foreseen
play
this
with
and
him.
became upset.
Jack drew on his
Jack
own
was
childhood
very
memories
happy to get
detail
an
how
unexpected
the
reaction
others
from
made fun
her,
of Roger
as his
Skunk.
stories had now
He
become
believed that his
much
daughter
too
should be
predictable
aware of
for
the
Joe.
realities of the world, and was pleased to see
While
that
narrating
this
the story,
detail had
Jack
the
heard
impact
a
he
chair
desired.
scrape down
Jack then continued
stairs. He
with his
realized he
literal
must
storyline.
go down to help
Roger
Claire,
Skunk
his
went to
wife,
the owl and the
paint the
wizard. The
wooden
wizard
work.
changed Roger's smell to that of
Now,
roses, and Roger played
Claire was
happily
expecting a
with
baby,
all the
but
other
he
animals.
continued with the
Joe
story.
interrupted the narration
Roger
several
Skunk went to
times.
the wise owl
Once she
who
asked
lived
if
at the
magic
top
was
of the
real.
very big tree.
Jack assured
The
her
enormous
that it was
owl
real in story,
advised Roger to
noting
visit the
mentally
wizard.
that Joe was
At
in a
this
new
point,
phase,
Joe
one
shot
of
her
questioning
question
what was
and
real.
looked at Jack. She
Intermittently,
asked if magic
Jack
spells
could
were
hear
real.
his pregnant wife
Her
Claire
inquisitive
shifting
behavior
furniture
had begun a
downstairs
month
and
ago.
felt that
She
he
had
should
started
hurry
asking
downstairs
questions
to
like
help
whether
her. He
spiders
was
really
not
ate
happy with her
bugs
doing
and
heavy
if
work,
God was
even
present
though
everywhere
she
and
was
so on.
pregnant. As
This
he
is the
reached
just
the end
outline
of
I
the
have told
story,
you. In the
Jack
next video,
noticed that
I will
Joe's
be
attention
discussing
had
more
started
about
to
it.
wander. He didn't like it when
Thank you.
women did not listen attentively to him and decided to change the ending of the story.